Okay, Dex. Y'all already know what it is, man. I'm over here, man. West Seattle. Ain't nobody feeling me, though. I'm looking at the view. Everybody out here, though. Yeah. Mind get smooth. Okay, now. Yeah. Okay, coming straight from the Caribbean. I'm out here in West Seattle, man. I'm just doing me. They don't know me. And I'm 24, and my mind taking for the cheese. Low mama, you can ride with me. Yeah, I call her Natalie. Hey, I got a number today. And stop, I said, I'm trying to know today. Yeah, Dex, we don't play though. Money in my mind, how to get it though. What they talking about, we don't know it though. Shout out to my boy, yeah, they all. My little bro, true, I need getting money, yo. And AZ, you know, yeah, we out here. Fresh to my glass, everybody don't know me. 7-Eleven, 907, yeah. They call me Chainbone, the devil is up. Yo, little mama, what up? Hit my number, you can call me and hit me, yo. Shout out to my bros getting money, yo. And we out in the street, try to get it, whoa. Shout out to my Haitians, man, they getting money, whoa. IT, photo points from the city. They talking about me, they don't know business. Yeah, every single day we grinding. Little mama looking good, yeah, she call me 206-681-3606. Your boy young, Seattle, I rap it. Matter of fact, 509 Haiti, I rap it. I'm Boston, show the woody deal, we can get the fuck out of here. Man, go to a different island in the Caribbean. Show you how we do it. Sipping on them coconuts straight from the shit. Night down, then we change. Put it in the summer, you know, yeah, feeling. Put it in the switch, yeah, the bar be flying. She love that. She say that. Dex in the motive, we do that. Fresh with my shirt on, flamingo, yo. Say that on the Betty. Yeah, you know me, I'ma get it. Fuckin' with a header, you can get it quick. If you had to go ahead and do it, beat. And you can catch me in Miami, heading to Jamaica, try to bluff me. They say no flight from Haiti to Miami, but you know, I'ma take around the circle. So my boys